school project on time. This time, what? Date's already passed. Oh no, I missed it again. Never mind about that though. I'll just start working on my holiday homework before the holidays even begin and enjoy every single day of my break and chillax like a boss. Holiday's over. Submit it now. I'll just excuse myself from the class, guys. Okay, I'll handle this soon, but not today. Right now it has that perfect balance of cuteness. But soon, I'll have that summer board. The kind that will make every single one of you jealous. A fantastic day to each one of you. By now you might have guessed what I'm going to talk about. A wise man once said, what you need to do tomorrow, do it the day after. And what you need to do the day after? Well, never think about it at all. One such wise boy was my friend Sam. Sam was an expert at forgetting to do his homework. But he never panicked for a single second because he had an endless supply of excuses ready for the teacher. And no, not just ordinary excuses like I forgot my homework, or my dog ate my homework, or my dad mistook it as a letter and sent it to China, or even I had to burn it in the fireplace to keep myself warm. No, Sam's reasons were on a whole other level. For instance, he would say, my parents didn't allow me to do homework because they believe it's the school's responsibility to ensure everything gets done during the school hours. Another gem of this was, I didn't want to waste paper because it works better to hold bale puri instead. And the ultimate excuse? He declared, my mother says my dad shouldn't bring work home from the office, so why should I bring schoolwork home then? If you want to think whether Sam faced consequences for these creative reasons, let's just say Sam was an outstanding student. But Sam's escapades didn't end there. When his results came out and he failed every single subject, the teacher asked him why he wasn't studying at home. He calmly replied, ma'am, if I study well, then what about Vivaan? He feels terrible when I score better than him. He even philosophized, saying, failure is a stepping stone to success. And you're just jealous because I'm collecting all these steps to become successful in the future, man. But Sam's laziness knew no bounds. Once he sat down for lunch, he refused to get up, saying, I need to sit down again for dinner anyway, so I bothered getting up. Sam mistakes were never ending. We've all met people like Sam, or maybe at times we've been a little like him ourselves. While his reasons might make us laugh, they highlight a serious issue: procrastination. Putting off tasks not only leads to stress, but often results in missed opportunities and regret. Life may allow us a few chances to catch up, but eventually, procrastination comes with a price. A price that can be quite painful, whether it's falling behind in academics, or losing out on career opportunities, or simply missing the chance to grow. The consequences of procrastination are real and often irreversible. So let's take a lesson from Sam. Not his reasons, but his outcomes. Let's break the cycle of procrastination and start taking responsibility for our actions. Because as they say, the pain of discipline is far less than the pain of regret. Thank you.